Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature on Instagram that many users may not be aware of. How to unsend a voice message from an Instagram group on your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've ever sent a voice message by mistake, or just want to retract something you said, follow these simple steps. First, open Instagram on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages easily. Next, look for the messages icon located in the left menu. It usually resembles an envelope or speech bubble. Click on it to open your direct messages. Once you're in your messages, find the group chat where you sent the voice message you want to unsend. Click on that conversation to enter it. Now, scroll through the chat until you locate the voice message you wish to remove. Once you've found it, look for the three dots next to the message. This is where you'll find additional options for that specific message. Click on those three dots, and a small menu will pop up. Here you'll see the option to unsend. Click on this option, and a confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to proceed with unsending the message. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking on Unsend again. Once you do this, the voice message will be removed from the chat for everyone involved. It's important to note that while the message will disappear from the conversation, any participants who received a notification may still have seen it before you unsent it. And that's it. You've successfully unsent a voice message from an Instagram group on your PC. This feature is great for maintaining control over what you share and ensuring that your conversations stay just how you want them. Thanks for following along, and happy chatting.